Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today we're going to look through A Kitchen in France by Mimi Thorisson, the famous food writer and cookbook author. This is a year of cooking in her farmhouse in France. She and her husband live in Italy, and they've traveled all over Europe, and this cookbook is going to be awesome. It's very large and heavy to hold up. I'm going to do my best to show it to you without dropping it, because it's a library book and I have to be careful. This came out in 2014. It is a Clarkson Potter cookbook, like most of my favorites. And the photographs are by her husband, Audur Thorisson. And she's dedicated it to her family. And like all my favorite cookbooks, it's seasonal. So it starts off spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And I love cooking seasonally. Introduction. If you are not capable of a bit of witchcraft, don't trouble yourself with cooking. A quote from Celeste. Perfect. Okay, there she is with some of her children. Whoops, excuse me. Okay, she grew up in Hong Kong, but she's lived in France almost half of her life. Okay, spring. Let's see what's in store for us. Oh, this is set by menus. So starters, fava bean soup, or watercress velouté, or artichoke tartlets. That would be the first thing I would cook out of this book. An onion tart, artichoke soufflé, roast asparagus with chervil. Main courses, lobster with Jura wine sauce, Parisian sole, roast chicken with creme fraiche. Desserts could include garden cake, cannelles de Bordeaux, black locust flower fritters, and a sugared almond tart. Whoa. So this is her Aunt Francine's fava bean soup. Oh, there's Aunt Francine. Sorry, I hope you can see the pages. This is really heavy to hold up. Watercress velouté. I can't say it looks very appetizing, but I bet it is phenomenal, and I would definitely eat it. Here are artichoke tartlets. Those look so good and so very French. Okay, I'm going to move ahead. Ooh, lots and lots of pictures. Here is a roast asparagus with chèvre. That looks really good. Pan-seared chicken breasts with spring onions. A very large picture. She's feeding a dog at the table. Oh, naughty. Roast lamb shoulder with garlic cream sauce. Here's a spring feast. Here's the beautiful garden cake. Let me pause a second so you can see that. Okay. Here is something I don't know how to pronounce. Bounes with orange flower water. I've never seen that word. B-U-G-N-E-S. Here is black locust flower fritters. Those look amazing. Don't know what a locust flower is. I'm going to look it up. Now we are jumping ahead to summer. I love autumn, but I do sort of miss summer, but not the hot days. Almond gazpacho, when you don't want to cook something hot. Tomato salad with parsley and shallots. Oh, perfect French lunch. Chilled garden pea velouté. Another green soup. Tuna roulets. Spider crab. Bouillabaisse. Here is a mustard roasted chicken. Duck breast grilled over grapevines. Lyonnaise sausage roll. Calf's liver bordelaise. Not everyone's going to want to eat that unless you're adventurous. Couscous, a summer feast with peach and cherry papillotes. A red berry barquettes. Oh, they're like little boats. Cute. A cherry clafouti, one of my favorite desserts. One that my best friend made for me one time, and it was amazing, and she doesn't remember making it. She's like, no, I didn't. I'm like, yes, you did. Strawberries and wine and mascarpone cream. We're still in summer. Apricot panna cotta. And now we're moving into autumn, which is the season I'm actually doing this cookbook review in. So the starters, the main courses and sides and desserts, and you can put the menu together however you like from this cookbook. I love it. Autumn. Pumpkin soup. I was hoping there would be a pumpkin soup recipe. Everybody does theirs a little bit different. I see milk, vegetable stock, Creme fraiche, of course. Walnuts. Aha, that's new to me. Pumpkin, of course. Garlic cloves, shallots, virgin olive oil, parsnips. That is a little different. Escargots bordelaise. Gambas flambés with pastis. I'm assuming that's shrimp or something. I don't know, I'm vegetarian. Okay. Here is a seared foie gras with grapes and figs. No, thank you. Grilled entrecôte a la bordelaise. Some kind of fish, I'm guessing. Slow-cooked lamb with ratatouille. Pork cheek ravioli. Butternut gratin. Yum. I would make that tonight for dinner if I had any butternut in the house. Here's her autumn feast. Let's move into winter, shall we? Oh, apple tart with orange flower water. I'm not sure if we're still in autumn. Galette. Perunian, something. Almost like a pizza. Pears a la Meadowcane. Oh, now we're in winter. Excuse me. Eggs in cocotte with mushrooms. That looks amazing. Potato pie with Comté cheese. Fresh herbs. Roquefort and walnut gougères. I thought there might be a gougères recipe. Garlic soup. Oh, on a cold winter day, yes. Coq au vin. Roast guinea hen and herbs. Roasted sausages with red wine and fennel, for those of you that like sausage. Here's a blanquette de veau. And a winter feast. So that was your little quick overview of this very heavy cookbook, A Kitchen in France by Mimi Thorisson. Look her up. Be sure to stop by her Instagram. See if you can check out videos from her cooking shows. Thanks so much for watching this cookbook look through and review from Cookbook Divas. You can see more of them on our website, cookbookdivas.com. We post cookbook news and info on Facebook and Instagram, and of course videos on YouTube. And we also have a podcast for those of you that like to listen to cookbook news. Thanks so much for watching.